welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a turkey recipe, super easy and delicious for Thanksgiving. If you are new to my channel, my name is Yvette and I do videos just like this one. If you like this, then hit the red subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my video. And now let's get cooking. Okay, so here is our turkey and we're gonna remove the neck and all these inside parts and put it separately to a bowl. And the insides of the turkey, like you can see, this bag goes on the side and anything else that is inside should go out. Any slimy thing, like excessive anything what you don't want on your turkey. Okay, good. And you see this extra skin here, this I will cut off. I really don't need that. And also I will cut off this excessive fat part here. I don't want that either. Alright, and now I will just wash my turkey through with salt. And also I will wash it inside a little bit to clean out the cavity and to just really take away any residual or anything I don't want to have on my turkey. For the veggies, like stuffing, we are not really going to stuff our turkey, but just give some flavor. I will use 2 red onion, 2 bell pepper, some celery, and some sage leaves. And for seasoning, we're going to mix black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, sage, rosemary, all-purpose spicing, salting mixture, sea salt, and of course some thyme. And this is gonna be mixed together, and this is what will cover our turkey. Okay, the first onion I just chopped up into 4 squares and you leave it like that. And this one you can chop up into smaller squares. And the same with the bell peppers, you just cut them into bigger chunks because this will go into our turkey. Like this, and then I will cut this also, the celery, into smaller pieces because some of them will go into the turkey. Okay, good. Next step is seasoning. We're gonna use an all-purpose seasoning salt powder mixture, 2 tablespoons, like this. Garlic powder, 1 tablespoon. Onion powder, 1 tablespoon. Sage, 1 tablespoon. Rosemary, 1 teaspoon. Thyme, 1 teaspoon. And pepper, 1 teaspoon. And of course 1 tablespoon of Celtic sea salt. Okay, now we mix this together. And this smells amazing. It's like Christmas in a bowl. It's absolutely amazing. And now we are going to rub the seasoning into the turkey. Every little part, inside, everywhere you can reach to, you rub in the spicing. Be generous with the seasoning, it will be good for the turkey. And also the other side. Alright, very good. And now we will stuff in our veggies. I will place some extra sage leaves inside as well, just to get a nice flavor. And some more paprika, and red paprika, and onions. Okay, good. So here is our stuffing inside. And now I will just put these celeries all around and under, and I will also throw in a roll around some onion and also a little bit under this baby and some of the paprikas. Very good. And now we're gonna melt 2 tablespoons of butter and just a little bit butter it so it gets a nice crispy brownie outside. Alright, here is the melted butter, and now we can just a little bit let this run on the turkey all over, just like this, to just get this nice crispy outside. And now we will put extra water to the turkey to about half of the tray and cover it. Very good. And now we are going to cover our turkey fully. If you have a baking bag, you can use that as well. And now this baby gonna go into the oven on 177 Celsius for 2 hours. 2 hours is over for our turkey, and this smells so amazing. I really want to see if it's soft. Okay, I think this is not ready yet, so I will keep it into the oven. I will cover it back and let it to bake for another 45 minutes maybe or more. We see. It's good when it's soft. Okay, so our bird is in for over 3 hours at this point. I think it's faster if you have a baking bag. I didn't have one, but it's nice and started to get crispy. And at this point, I think I will just leave it like this without the cover and get a nice crispening for another 5-10 minutes, and it's done. Okay, so here is our beautiful turkey. It looks perfect, and I'm going to use the juice to make a gravy in another video. And I hope you like this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys.